Hey guys, welcome back. So today we will see a little topic. Okay, how to create subdomain. Okay, basically subdomain is the part of main domain. It will help you to divide of your WordPress website load basically. Okay, if you want to create a blog, so only particular you can only create a particular blog page, post page to the different subdomain website, and it will be segregate, it will be divided of your load balance of your website, and it will be easy to connect with each other. Okay, so this is basically uh, hosting provider. My hosting provider is Bluehost, so I have, this is my login page of Bluehost uh, website. So I just go to my website page, sorry, website not, it's Bluehost page, and there you can see here hosting and login. So I just putting here my domain name and password. So after login, now we will see you. After login, now we'll go domain, and after that subdomain. Go to subdomain and create add subdomain. Okay, so basically this is my two different subdomain which I have created. Okay, so let's go to the add subdomain option and click here, and I just give the subdomain name like that. Tutor. Okay, and select the subdomain. My main domain is that, and just putting same name, tutor, and add subdomain. Now you can see your subdomain is ready to nice work. So now this is my subdomain tutor.christian.com. okay, so my subdomain is create, and after that what I will do and how to install WordPress in the subdomain. Okay, so let's go and we'll see how to create WordPress. So now this situation don't require any cpanel to install the WordPress. So basically it is very simple. So I will see you how to create WordPress in subdomain. So go to my site, add site, create a new site. Simply you give your site name. If you want to site tagline, so if you can use, or other than you can next option. Before next option click advanced. I just give my mail ID, that is mandatory. So after that I just putting here WordPress username and password. So that is basically used for login of your WordPress. So that's the reason I just putting here admin and password. Password is so. Now next. So now you can see my WordPress is ready to install. So I just, and you can also with this plugin, this is basically useful plugin. if you want to go with them, so you can tick this thing, and other than you can untick all those son. Okay, I just going with the WP forms. Okay, so now next, oh sorry, here you also require. Okay, now next, so first time it will take so much time. It's not, it's will 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so don't worry, just wait. So now you can see here some of the option visible of your screen, desktop screen, like that: blog, store, business, portfolio, resume. This is also the part of the thing which is help you to start of your WordPress first time. So this is basically WordPress theme which will be created as per of your choice. So like that, if you want to create blog, so you can go with the blog. If you want to store, so you go with the store. So that all the things. So if you don't want to go with them, so you can just skip this step. I just click here and login into WordPress. So this is basically of your credential. So you can copy those things, and you can also get the credential information, login ID, password information of your email ID. Okay, so you can go back to my site, and you can also go with login into your WordPress. So I just go to the WordPress login. So this is the first screen, that is login successfully, and you can make of your blogs, store, portfolio, resume, anything from here. So this is so much option is there. So this is the dashboard, home, marketplace, sharing, that is part of the Bluehost. So you can ignore that. Basically dashboard is of your first main home screen. Okay, this is page actually where you want to create. This is default page, privacy policy, sample page. You can go with the sample page, or you can create a add new option to create new website page. Make from here. Okay, this is of your first page. You can type here anything which you want to create. So go to the WordPress main page. This is dashboard, and this is post option. You can create a post page. Now you can install here to plugin, appearance, some of the basic parameter is mentioned is there. Okay, so when we will create one by one, you can learn about it more core level. Okay, so thank you so much for today. Okay, so thank you so much. Bye bye.